Welcome to Monday Morning Moments. I'm Mike Van Hooser. Hope you had a great weekend. And today I wanted to talk to you about what you think about. And I think what we think about shapes how we act, the habits we develop, the behaviors we have. And especially over the last 15 months, I think that a lot of people have acknowledged anxiety and fear and just negative thoughts, doubt, lack of confidence, serious anxiety in their lives. And it's a real thing. And a lot of people have talked about, this saying of it's okay to not be okay. And that's true to a point unless we decide to reside there. And in the work that I do, I help people not only use the mental game as an X factor in sports and in life and in business, but also to help people who have gotten to a point where fear is just hanging over them like a cloud. And it's a real thing, but we have to find people who can help us through that, because if we decide to stay there in a spot where the enemy is basically stealing our joy and killing our desire to continue going on and living out our purpose and defeating us in that, then we're not winning the battle of our mind, and we're not being able to be who we're designed to be. And I've been reading a great book. It's Winning the War of Your Mind. It's Craig Groeschel, and it's an incredible book. And on Thursday, we're going to talk more about some resources that you can have and use to basically help you in this process as well. And we'd love to help you in coaching you more on that. But I really want you to think about what you think about, because in the opening lines in this book, Winning the War of Your Mind, basically he says what we think shapes who we are. He said we're always moving in the direction of our strongest thoughts, and what we think shapes who we are, and it shapes our lives. So the power of thought drives actions, which drive behavior and then drive habits. And we can get in a vicious cycle if we continue to think about thoughts that are going to continue to bring us down. And a lot of times those thoughts are based on lies, and they're not based on truths. So for today's Monday morning moment, I want you to think about your strongest thoughts and what direction are they taking you in? Are they taking you in a direction that you want to be going, or are they taking you down a path that's spiraling downwards? And think about one area of your life and maybe one thought that has become a negative thought for you. And how can you replace that? Maybe it's a lie, maybe it's something that's real, but it's a negative thought that's not helping you. But how can you replace that with a conquering belief or a truth that is true about you that's going to help you move in the right direction? So think about that this week. Think about what you're thinking about, and how can you rewire the thoughts and words that you say to yourself every day to help you move in a more powerful direction. And again, we're going to talk more about techniques that we use with a lot of the athletes we work with and business leaders on Thursday during the Coach's Corner. I want you to think about things that are going to uplift you and help you to be the person you were designed to be, and accomplish the things you were designed and created to accomplish as well. And as always, let's make the most of the moments in our lives, and that starts with what we think about. Have a great day. Make it a great week.